Hi everybody, in this video I will show you 7 life hacks that will make your life easier. Let's go! The first life hack is about making a cool bag for your laptop from a sweatshirt. It's really very easy. Fold the sweatshirt like this. Now I will show you how to store plastic bags in an empty potato chip pack. Take a pack like this. Make a small hole in its lid. The rest is easy. Fold plastic bags in like this. It's super handy and easy. Guys, write in the comments what you like better, life hacks, pranks, or magic tricks. Let's get 5,000 likes for this video, so the new video will come out at once. If you have received a ring as a gift, and it's too big or too loose for your finger, you can use a hot glue gun to fix this. Apply a small amount of hot glue onto the inner side of the ring. After the glue dries out, the ring will fit perfectly on your finger. Watch how I sometimes eat my potato chips. This way it's handy, and I like the life hack very much. Before piling up the chips into a bowl, put a glass in the middle of it. Fill the glass with some sauce, whichever you prefer. You can use ketchup like I do. Now, throw the chips into the bowl and start eating. And I'm off to eating, seriously. You need a lemon for this life hack. To be precise, you need lemon zest. Peel a small amount this way. Secure it with a rubber band. That is how you get rid of smelly shoes. You will need lemon again. Squeeze a little lemon juice. If you're out of laundry detergent, you can use lemon juice instead. Also, if you're out of window cleaner, you can wash windows with lemon juice and vinegar. This mixture will clean your windows perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Support this video with your like, as your likes encourage me to shoot more videos. This was HomeCraft Channel Show. See ya!